It's finally time. We have made it to the most requested video in the Am I Doing This Right series, the teaser, widely considered one of the hardest exercises in all of Pilates. We are going to break it down today. So we're going to work on teaser 1, which is one of 3 main teaser variations, that we do in the Pilates mat. And it is really tricky. Sometimes I actually think this is the hardest one. So, we're really going to start with a bang. And the full exercise I'll just show you to begin is lying down with legs extended around 45 degrees, and then your body rolls up to meet the legs, and then the body rolls down. So you can see my legs aren't really moving. I'm just rolling my core down and up. And it's harder than it looks, to say the least. So this is what we're aiming for. And now we're going to talk about some different ways you can get into it if you are a beginner, or if this is just a really hard exercise for you. So I like to start this exercise sitting. And first we're just gonna practice, can you hold a teaser? So we'll have bent knees even, and we're just gonna see if we can balance in this position, and then maybe the legs can straighten and the arms can lift. So we're in a full teaser now. And if you can balance and hold here, great. Just scoop the abs a tiny bit round, and then see if you can roll down. If not, that's okay. You're just gonna go to that point where you really feel it and then come on out. Awesome. Other variation is one leg at a time, rolling down a little, and then really squeeze the legs and lift your posture back up. Your hands can help you. Yes, that's great. And then go ahead and do that a couple more times. This takes out some of the balance component and also takes away some of the leverage of the legs. And then we'll switch and do the other side. And just down and up. Remembering you can use your hands if you need to. It's not cheating. Really good. So this is a nice way to build that strength. And then you can float in a teaser for a beautiful finale. The other great trick I like, and you'll do this if you work with a teacher in a studio, is get a buddy to hold your feet. It's really nice and helpful. So you can see here my legs are a bit lower than you might expect. They're not at the full 45 degrees. This is gonna also make it easier for me to roll up. So if you have a friend to help you, amazing. If not, you can also put your feet on a couch or cushion at a similar level. And then our ultimate goal is to be able to do 3 of these in a row. So once you're able to do 1, you're gonna build up your endurance and your practice doing 1, 2, 3 of them. And then on your final one, you're gonna lift up and hold your teaser. It's gonna be so beautiful. And then you can take a little stretch forward. We made it through the teaser. That is not easy. So come back to this one again and again so you can practice, or come practice with me in mat class. I teach several classes live online a week. I've linked those up for you in the comments below. I would love to see you there. And of course, if you like what we're doing with free videos on this channel, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave us a comment down below. Let us know what you would like to see us make next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on the mat.